had a delicious meal at the Riverside Tavern. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is right behind the sign, but it's right here on the corner of something and 129, which is right here. A lot of construction going on. I think they're doing some pretty major road improvements. Our tires are cold. We just had a BLT and coleslaw. I fueled up with some ethanol-free gas at Turner's Corner gas station. And I am now headed up 129. I started recording just because, you know, I haven't ridden this route in a while. Well, I take that back. I was here like 2 weeks ago, but it was right after I got my bike. I don't want to say right after I got it back, but I hadn't had it back very long from getting the suspension service. I was a little freaked. Plus I have the Stage 2 Gabbro tune back on here. And it was just new to me coming from Stage 3. There's a big difference between those two tunes. I'm taking it easy. My tires are cold. You can see there's a shitload of traffic here today. Everybody's coming home from work. That's another thing about coming up to the mountains on a weekday. People live up here, so they use this road to actually commute with. While we're here playing, they're actually trying to get somewhere. But yeah, I'm just here at the North Georgia mountains today, enjoying my life. It's a beautiful 75-degree Thursday here in Georgia. And because of the extreme amount of car traffic, I'm not going to be doing anything that involves a lot of speed right now. Don't go ahead. We got some guys to film. This is what it's like on Saturday. Jesus. Oh well. I didn't know that guy was going to be able to take off like that. And I got a car right here, so. Wow. Wow. Well, I didn't know the guy up front was going to take off like that, or I would have stayed up front with that guy, but oh well, live and learn. got a little bit of video. Doing all kinds of cheating. My jacket has come unzipped from the bottom up, so it's a complete zipper malfunction. My zipper is broken. That guy's railing. Sucked, but at least I got it recorded. Woo! Yeah. All right. Good run. And I'm going to fix my jacket.
What is your channel again? Ant-Man Moto?
Yeah, one word, Ant-Man and then Moto. One word, Ant-Man Moto. Yeah, I'll have you on there in about a week.
Okay, cool.
All right, cool. Well, I got roasted there. My zipper came undone from the bottom somehow, and it was just blowing open that whole time going up the hill, which is extremely distracting. I'm not saying that was it. I was cheating to keep up with the guy because I don't trust the tar snakes, and there's a multitude of things going on. But the bottom line is I got roasted by that kid on the 660. I deserve it. you know, it's fine. I haven't been up here in a while, and I'm old. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it all those excuses.